Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a template here in HelloSign. All right. So first up, just go ahead and log into sign.dropbox.com. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to the left panel. As you can see, we have the template section. Just click on it, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you can now go ahead and click on create your first template. All right. Just click on it. And once done, you can go ahead and upload your document from here. All right. You can go ahead and upload multiple documents directly from your computer, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, Evernote, or Box. Just for this example, I'm going to uploading directly from my computer. Okay. Maybe this one. I'm going to hit on open, wait for it to load. And then once you've added all your files, just click on next. Now go ahead and add a signer role. For example, if you're creating a template for a sales agreement, well, you may want to add two roles. For example, the buyer and the seller. All right. Buyer, add another role, the seller, and just hit on next. All right. Wait for it to load. Now from here, you can go ahead and click and drag the fields you'd like to add, which is right here from the left panel. All right. This is the file or document that I have uploaded. So just drag and drop, maybe date signed in here, company, and then the text box, even check boxes like so. Double click to edit the text field, maybe check if you agree, just like so. Move the box, double click and change the date, company, answer ASAP, and just go ahead and realign everything right here. Now, once you're happy with your template, you can now go ahead and click on preview if you want to. Right here at the bottom right, just click on it. And here you have it. You can go ahead and tick on the checkbox right here if you want to try it. For the buyer, seller, all right, return to editing. This is only the buyer's page. Go ahead and click on the drop down right here. And then the seller, if you want to change something, go ahead and drag and drop. Okay. If you want to change the documents, just go ahead and click on documents right here at the top left. Click on three dots and hit on replace. Now going back, add in a signature or initials. If you don't have a saved signature, just go ahead and click on draw or type or even upload if you want to. All right. And maybe draw right here. Add in your signature. Just draw it. Hit on insert. There you go. Add initials if you want to. Insert. All right. Once you're happy with it, just go ahead and click on next. Now you can go ahead and add a template name. All right. Click on this text box, add a template name, maybe sales agreement. You go ahead and add in a message if you want to, add CC role. If not, just save the template, wait for it to load. And once done, you can go ahead and close it, create another template, or use the template that you just created. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.